During normal operation, the appliance records the number of times it is used and indicates when it has reached a point where cleaning is recommended. The recommendation is displayed until the Ecolytic Clean mode has finished. Your appliance is equipped with Ecolytic Clean, Easy Clean, and a Descale function. The self-cleaning surfaces in the oven cavity are cleaned with the Ecolytic Clean cleaning function. Ecolytic cleaning is constantly cleaning. The side panels, ceiling panel, and back panel are coated with a porous, matte ceramic material known as Ecolytic coating. The coating absorbs and breaks down splashes over time from baking, roasting, and broiling while the oven is in operation. If the surfaces no longer clean themselves adequately and dark patches appear, the surfaces can be refreshed using the Ecolytic Clean mode, which helps clean the Ecolytic coating by operating the unit at a higher temperature to help speed the process. Before running the Ecolytic Clean function, remove racks, rails, accessories, and ovenware from the oven cavity. Remove the worst food spills from the oven bottom, the inside of the appliance door, and the interior lighting. You can do this with a dishcloth and hot soapy water. Before setting the cleaning function, ensure that you have followed all instructions for preparation. Cleaning takes 1 hour. The duration cannot be changed. 1. Turn the function selector to Clean Modes. 2. Swipe to the left or right to select Ecolytic Clean. 3. Touch the bottom line. The cleaning time with Ecolytic Clean is displayed. 4. Touch the bottom line. After a few seconds, the appliance starts Ecolytic Clean. The remaining time appears on the display. As soon as the cleaning aid has run through, a signal sounds and the appliance ends the operation automatically. Once the cleaning function has ended, allow the oven to cool. After the oven cavity has cooled, wipe down the oven cavity with a damp cloth to remove any residual cleaning residue. Then dry with a dry cloth. You've now completed the Ecolytic cleaning process.